Hello all, welcome to KonnecttzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be explaining you how you can actually send an ebook, that is PDF file, on WhatsApp. So whenever there is a successful payment in Razorpay. So let's do that inside using KonnecttzIT. So before you authorize your account, before you creating a workflow, make sure you guys have an WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I already shown in an example in the I will attach the video in the link in the description. So please follow and create your make a setup of your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So use that account to add all the details. So basically when you create an WhatsApp Cloud API account, you get an temporary token and also the phone number. You can configure your phone number. I had already shown you doing that same things in the previous video. Please make sure you watch that video to create how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API. Basically you get all these details and you can able to configure the templates, WhatsApp template like this. So I already shown how to add a template as well. So please do watch that video before you jump onto this video. Or if you already have an WhatsApp Cloud account, you can straight away start using that. So first go to KonnecttzIT, authorize your WhatsApp account. To authorize WhatsApp account, so search for WhatsApp in the apps page and then click on add account. So this will ask you for token, so which the permanent token you generate, you have to get it copied, or you can use the temporary token too. So just paste inside KonnecttzIT and then the phone number ID. So copy the phone number ID over here. So you just need to copy that phone number ID and then paste inside KonnecttzIT. Similarly, you have to copy the business account ID, that is WhatsApp business account ID. Just copy it and paste inside KonnecttzIT and click on send continue. So this will going to authorize your account inside KonnecttzIT. So now we will just straight away jump on to create workflow. So before creating a workflow, I will show you how you can actually create an WhatsApp template. So you have to click here. So to create your own message template, you have to click here. So I will just click there and create an WhatsApp template. So basically I am going to send an ebook after my successful purchase on Razorpay. So I have to create an thank you message for purchasing. So similar to this, whichever it is been shown in as like feedback here. So you can see this. So basically something like this I'll be creating. So it will show thank you for your purchase and we value your feedback. Would you like to learn more about your experience? So just you will copy that message. So similarly you can create your own message as well. So basically I'm going to do this thing. So first I will go here and click on create message template. So when I click there, it will ask you what type of message I will be sending in WhatsApp. So I'm going to select as payment update because I'm just sending them a payment update, and I will show them like I will just message that as like ebook payment and then click the language. So you can basically select multiple languages. I just select single language and then select continue. Here it will ask me for header. So yes, I need an header because I'm just delivering a PDF document. So you have to select the document over here. You can see that. And yes, I definitely required a body. So I'll just add a body message. I said thank you for purchasing. So the purchasing, the item name, that is variable. So before that I just make sure that I just prefer as their name. So I will be adding that variable over here. Basically I'm just adding their name and I just say thanks for purchasing the product name. We value your feedback, would like to learn more about your experience. So I just said these words, and now what I do, I'll just add a footer. So this is like your branding, so you can do that. So I'll just add as KonnecttzIT. So you can see all my preview will gonna display here like this, and then I will be adding an call to action. So this is also again it's all depend on you. So I just say that share your feedback. So I just say share feedback and then give an URL for that. So basically you can redirect to your form to share a feedback, or else you can even give a review button, or possibly you can just add more to visit your website as well. So this I'm done with my template. So something it looks like this. So it says dear name and thanks for purchasing the product name and we value your feedback, and then it give a footer and also the feedback link. So now I will give the sample. So Facebook ask for sample. So basically which type of file you will be sending. So I just select my ebook template, and here it asks me for product name. So basically I just copy my product name, so that is the so something like this is there. I just select that, and then I'll just select a name. So basically the template looks like this. So and I click on done. So basically I just added a sample value and click on submit, and it asks me for reviewing. It will send for a review. So Facebook usually take 2 to 4 seconds to get that approved basically. So if it is sent to a manual, it might take more than that. So basically, so let's search, make a refresh button. Let's click on reload. It usually take not more than 2 to 4 seconds because they have an automatic process. Yes, it is not approved yet. So let's finish our connects and then we'll come back, or else let me try my luck again by refreshing the page. No, it is gone to a pending review. So let's wait for get it to upload. So meanwhile, we create our workflow. So let's go ahead and create Connect. Name my Connect as Razorpay to WhatsApp. So now I'll search my for my trigger, that is Razorpay. So I'll just search for an app, drag and drop the app, and based on the instructions provided here I will place my webbook. So basically I need to set up my webbook, select the trigger as order paid, and copy my webbook URL and go to Razorpay. This is my Razorpay. Click on settings, and then you have to go to webbooks and click on add new webbook, and then place your webbook URL over here, and then select the event. So in this case I just select as order paid and then create a webbook. That's it, as simple as such. So now we done with the placement of webbook. So now let's go to KonnectZIT and click on capture response. So this will basically enable KonnectZIT to capture the response from Razorpay through the webbook we just placed it. So now let's go to Razorpay and then go to the payment page and make a test payment. So I just copy the payment URL and go to the URL again and then make a test payment. So basically like I just select my name and my last name and the phone number and business URL. So something like this, I select and click on pay. So I'll be selecting net banking. Yes, done with my payment. Yes, payment has been successfully completed in Razorpay. The same will be captured inside KonnectZIT. Yes, guys, you can see this. So we already received a payment. So that will be there in the payload. So let's search for the payload option. So that is payment entry. So yes, we will be having the payment entry. Yes, you can see this, guys. So we have the name and the phone number. So basically, and also the name. So you can see that we have name, email ID, phone number, and the business page link. So we just required phone number and the name, I guess. So now let's go to WhatsApp. So before that, I will make sure I just drag and drop the account. So before that, I will make sure my template is approved. else I could not able to send the message. So let me go here and refresh my page. Hopefully it get approved. It will not, if it is not gone to a manual review. So basically it went to a manual review. So it may take a lot of time, guys. So what I do is I will be using a template which something like this. It says, it actually sends an ebook. So basically, like it is sending the message. So something like this I will be using a thank you. It says, dear John, thanks for choosing KonnecttzIT. Here is the ebook file attached. So I'm going to use this particular, basically it's one and the same. So if you get template approved, it will automatically get that. So now let me use this template. So let's go to KonnecttzIT and search for my account, and then select the action as send template message. So here I make sure I choose the template as okay. So it got approved. So this search this this pending review. So let's not worry about that. So let's go thank you. So basically this again it's same as a PDF. So I'm gonna send a PDF document. So I'll just select my phone number. So I just add a phone number 2 over here and add document URL. So I'll just copy the document URL, which is my ebook. So I copy that and paste it over here, and then just say like Razorpay ebook. So then the body field name. So this is basically the name of the user. So in this case it is my name. So I just add the name over here and click on test and review. So this will going to send a WhatsApp message over here. So here I'll be getting a WhatsApp message similar to this. So let's go ahead and click on test and review. Yes, guys, so it has successfully sent a WhatsApp message. You can see its name as Razorpay ebook. I can actually download that ebook. So this will be the same ebook which looks like this. You can see it has been downloaded to my so email ID, and like again, so it says dear Rakesh and thanks for choosing KonnecttzIT. It says the footer also sent via website, and we have a CTA, that is the website. So now let's go ahead and publish our Konnectz. So basically I have done with the execution. So now let's go ahead and so let me drag and drop. So let me go ahead and publish my Konnectz. So now any payment happens through Razorpay on the payment link, automatically a PDF WhatsApp file, a PDF file, that is ebook, will be gone to the WhatsApp. So now let's test this Konnectz. So now let's go to Razorpay again, copy the payment link. So I'll go to the payment link again and make a payment basically. So let me do as Matthew, then and melody. I'll just make sure same thing and give my website link. So I'll just click on pay. So basically it says Matthew, and it goes to the same phone number. So I just for demo purpose I just added that same phone number. So now I will choose the option as net banking. Just make a payment. So yes, done with my payment. So as per our Konnectz, so basically it has to send me a WhatsApp message. We already received a WhatsApp message, I guess. Yes, guys, so you can see that it says Razorpay ebook, and it says dear Matthew and thanks for choosing KonnecttzIT. So here is the ebook file. So this is how you can basically send an ebook PDF file. So any PDF file in the sense, so whenever there is a payment happens through Razorpay. Hope you guys like this integration. If you have any comments on this particular integration, do drop me a message guys on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.